Most OKR tools help you define goals, assign owners, and track progress. But very often, these same tools are disconnected from the actual work happening across portfolios, projects, and teams inside your organization. And usually when AI is included, it helps you write better OKRs, but not necessarily define better strategy based on your real business context. That's why at Businessmap, we help you define your strategy, build OKRs around it, and connect everything to all work activities inside your organization in one single system. So at the end of the day, everyone gets a clear view from strategy to execution. In the following demo, let me show you how we do this in practice. Starting from a custom dashboard, in this example, we have a management workspace for our strategic OKRs and team workspace for visualizing OKRs across teams in the company. To get the bird's-eye view of all strategic goals, let's get started from an AI canvas board. Inside, we've structured our strategic OKRs, annual OKRs, and as you can see, each team has designed a space for their own OKRs too. The canvas allows us to see how the strategic OKRs from the top branch out to annual OKRs and team OKRs, where in this case, the engineering team has broken down their OKRs into engineering projects and tasks across their engineering workflow. Under each objective, project, or initiative, you can create new outcomes with the help of AI or manually, and once you put in the details you'd like to measure, they will appear right below your chosen initiative's card. To scale your OKRs across the hierarchy, Businessmap allows you to connect multiple outcomes together, so their values can be automatically generated by summing, getting the averages, or choosing another method to calculate values in the hierarchy. Generally speaking, you can design your canvas to give you a complete map of how your objectives and key results align with the actual work across the organization. Moving forward, with a simple right-click from the canvas, we can move into a portfolio board, which in this case is a representation of our OKR structure. We have the strategic OKRs on the top, annual OKRs below them, and through the linked workflows, the connection to the team OKRs. As you can see, each objective card contains measurable outcomes that we're tracking from the strategic to the team level. Moving into a team board, we can see the OKRs of that team on the top. On a timeline view, the team's projects, and below that, on a board view, the team's tasks which they can manage. But now, if you're thinking, what about reporting on our OKRs? In Businessmap, you can build OKR dashboards from your data. At a glance, you can compare your objectives' current status to their actual work progress across the teams in your company. You can see which key results are at risk of missing their targets, which ones are off track, and which ones are actually moving according to plan. Every OKR dashboard is customizable, so you can visualize any data next to your objectives, such as end dates, deadlines, work types, priorities, and more. Ultimately, Businessmap gives you a centralized system for your strategic OKRs and KPIs management, which connects to the real work driving your goals forward. And if you'd like to see how we can help you manage and align your OKRs, don't hesitate to request your free Businessmap trial and get in touch with our experts.